Good morning, everybody. It's Lori from Our Repurposed Home, and I want to first thank you for signing up for my email list. And secondly, I want to make sure you actually get them. So, email's a little tricky, especially with emails like mine that tend to have a lot of pretty images in them. They a lot of times end up in the promotion folder. And as you can see here, I sent an email to myself and it ended up in the promotions folder. Not good. I actually want you to get my emails that you signed up for, but there's an easy way that you can do that. If you have Gmail like I do, it's simple. All you need to do is left click on your email and slide it over to the primary tab. And what it does is, there it is, it actually tells Google or Gmail that you really want my emails and they won't end up in the promotions folder or, gosh forbid, the spam folder. So when you first get my email, you might have to look for it. Check your promotions tab. When you find it, slide it over to the primary tab, and that's the only time you should have to do that. Hopefully. All right. I hope you enjoyed this tip. I look forward to emailing you and communicating with you and sending you lots of tips and tricks and some fun freebies. So let's get at it. I'll talk to you soon.